Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is a fun video because I have a few things I want to share with you guys. I have mentioned a few times in my videos that I have hit 50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I even took me a little screenshot. Can you see that? 50,000 there? That was on May 27th. I was super excited. I was like, oh my gosh, look, look, look. But anyway, so I hit 50,000 subscribers, and first of all, that's just amazing. It is just phenomenal. It is so hard to comprehend that when I first started my YouTube channel, that one day I would have 50,000 subscribers. There is just no way to explain how it makes me feel. It's just flabbergasting. It's amazing. And I have such a great community of people that watch my YouTube channel, that are part of my Facebook group, that have been here since the very beginning, since my very first video even. You know, I don't even know who my first subscriber was, but wouldn't that be kind of cool to know who your very first subscriber was? I think that'd be kind of neat. And, you know, a lot of people have watched me grow on YouTube, watched me go from being shy and stumbling all over myself, and the video quality was so bad. All of that back in the day. But they still stuck with me, you know, and they still encouraged me, and they're still here today. And I just cannot say thank you enough. So I wanted to do some like celebration things. And I didn't just want to do one celebration thing. I want to do a whole slew of things for you guys. And I want it to continue on for quite some time because it is just amazing. And I think you guys are worth every bit of effort and every bit of time and every bit of money that I have to put into doing these giveaways and things like that. It's worth it to me. Every single bit of it is worth it. So I have contacted some companies. Some companies have contacted me. I have a whole slew of paper collections that I've collected over the years that I'm going to start giving away. Most likely it'll be, I will start those pretty soon, I think, but I know there's at least 30, maybe more, maybe 50, I don't know, there's a lot. And I keep adding to that every time I do new projects. I always buy an extra set. So, and the idea that I was going to eventually give them away. So one thing for sure is that you'll have to be a subscriber. If it's a physical item that I am going to be shipping to you, you'll have to be a subscriber in order to win that. And not only do you have to be a subscriber, but I have to be able to see that you're a subscriber. A lot of people have their subscriptions private to where you can't see, and that's fine. I get it. I totally understand. But in order to win a physical product, you will have to be a subscriber of my channel. So you just make sure you're a subscriber and try to hit that notification bell thingy as well. And then you have to do a drop down menu to turn those notifications on. So be sure to do that so you know every time I upload a video. And another thing that will be a definite is you'll have to leave comments under videos in order for me to be able to pick a winner. So most of them will probably be done here on YouTube. So the very first thing that I did as a celebration for 50,000 subscribers is, I'm trying to focus my camera, is I did a special coupon code in my Facebook group. That was like literally when I first found out I hit the 50,000 subscriber mark, I did a special coupon code, and that was fun. And I just did it really quick and out of the blue and didn't announce it. But that was the very first thing I did. I'm going to do a coupon code here on YouTube soon. So keep an eye out for that. So I'm also going to be doing some random giveaways of random things too. So besides the paper collections. But so my friend, let me tell you the next thing we're going to do. My friend, Michelle, contacted me and asked if she could help me celebrate my 50,000 subscribers, which still is just amazing. Just saying that out loud is amazing. And she is the owner, creator of the original Stopper Toppers. Her business name is MS Texas Crafts, and she has an Etsy shop. I will have that link down below. What she is doing for us, she did such an amazing job. I'm just going to tell you all. I met her through Maidacon. I met her in person at the first Maidacon that I did, and I met her online, of course, before that, because she was kind of like the liaison for me to contact. Besides Maymay, there was other people I talked to. Anyway, I met her that way, and turns out she was a fan of mine. And then I met her physically. I met her and her daughter at Maidacon, and they are just amazing people. And she makes these stopper toppers, and they're for your art glitter glues. I got me a new big bottle, by the way, finally. So you guys see this one a lot in video with my cute little stopper topper on the top. I don't even have a fine tip pin on there. It's just, you know, like the fine tip, this thingy. It's just, you know, the original, whatever that's called. And it works just fine. This little doodad, I think she calls these little ones a doodad. Well, she makes these, and she made us some exclusive, limited edition, while supplies last, Genevieve Designs stopper toppers. She made 5, okay? Let me read to you, let's see. Let me go back. Let's see here. She says we have 5 special designs while supplies last. And let's see. Let me see. I don't want to misquote her. Let's see. Some of the colors are exclusive to this design set, and the fairy charm, which I'll show you, and the rose charm are exclusive to this design set. And they're in her Etsy shop, and she's also given us a coupon code, so wait for that too. Don't let me forget to tell you the coupon code. She's going to have them featured in her Etsy shop, I guess, until they're gone. I'm not really sure. And then, like I said, she's going to give us a coupon code, and it's for 20% off of everything in her shop, not just these 5 things, but anything else that you may want to purchase in her shop at your total purchase. So 20% off, and that's going to be good until, I think, the end of July. I'm not 100%. You may want to ask her about that. You may want to shoot her a message about that. But anyway, so she designed these stopper toppers for you guys, for me, to help me celebrate my 50,000 subscribers. So the very first one I want to show you guys, she says she gets a ton of requests for stopper toppers that are like the one I have on this little bitty bottle. This is a 2-ounce bottle. I will link the art glitter glue down in the description box if you want to check that out, if you want to get you some. If you don't know what it is, it's not for glitter. People say that all the time, and I always giggle because I'm like, well, of course it's not just for glitter. But that's just the name of it. It's just a really good glue. And these are patent pending, by the way. So she's the real deal. You know, she is amazing, and I'm super excited for her. So anyway, so this one is exclusive, right? It's exclusive Genevieve Designs, and it looks almost exactly like the one I have. So I'm going to be replacing this one with this one. So she's got those. Isn't that amazing? So it's just literally, it's just one little bead. Super easy. It's nothing fancy, and you'll still be able to find it. If it gets lost on your desk, you'll still be able to locate it. I will link her Etsy shop, so don't worry. You will be able to find these, I promise. And then here is another one. It's kind of similar, where it's just kind of like a doodaddy thing on top. It's super cute. Is that not just precious? Look at that. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus on it. Yay, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And this one is a pretty little butterfly. Look at that. It's like a flying butterfly. So that one's available. Is that not pretty? And then she's got different price points too. So, you know, there's something there for everybody. And then here is one of the exclusive, that one was the butterfly. Whoops. I don't want to keep taking them out of the little thingy and protecting those little pins there. And then this one is the rose. So this one's exclusive to this design set. I don't feel like I'm doing them justice. My camera is not very cooperative today. So it's got this pretty rose, and it's got like 3 strands. I don't know, it's just a really nice, there's glass beads, there's pearls, there's different things in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I actually just noticed there's a little bit of bling in there. They're so pretty. So there's that one. Looks like it's got a crystal. I don't know if it's a real crystal, but it's super pretty on the top there. If my camera will look at it. Yeah, see, super pretty. Oh, the back of this, she's working on new packaging. That's why I don't have the packaging, but she's working on some new branding. So that's super cool too. So this says, hi there, thank you for your purchase. If your pen got a little bent during shipping, no worries. Just run it between your finger and thumbnail a few times to straighten. Treat your glue pen like a fine piece of jewelry and it will last for ages. So she has an Etsy shop. I want to remind you guys of this. She has an Etsy shop, but she's also working on a website. So that, hopefully she'll have that up and running before too long. But for now, these are only sold in her Etsy shop. And then here's another 3-strand one. And let's see, this one has different color purples. And this one looks like it's kind of all the same purple. And there's a pretty little heart charm right there. Pretty little heart charm. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? I love that. I love that heart. It's so pretty. And it's got some of the different little blingy things on there. I hadn't noticed that. I just thought the whole things were just shiny and pretty. I like shiny things. I don't know. I'm kind of weird. Okay. So there's that one with the pretty little heart. And then the last one, this one has 4 strands. And this one has the fairy that is exclusive to this design set. So let me show you that. Right there. And this one has a little bit of green pearls in there with all the different purples. So this looks like it has a little bit of everything. It's so pretty, except it doesn't have the white pearls in here. So it's just beautiful. So there's something for everyone here. So I am super excited about that. And then the coupon code, let me get something to write on so you can see it really good. So the coupon code for her Etsy shop, not my Etsy shop, her Etsy shop. These are only available in her Etsy shop. Is JEN20. So that's 20% off of everything, total purchase. So if something crazy happens with your coupon code or it doesn't work, give her a shout, contact her through her Etsy, and I'm sure she will fix it right as rain for you guys. So there's the coupon code, and then that 5 exclusive designs that she made just for us to help celebrate our 50,000 subscribers. So I can't thank you enough, Michelle. Thank you so much for helping me. These are amazing, and I'm gonna change them out right now. I'm going to put this one here on that glue bottle because it's just perfect. And I'm going to put this one in here and save it. And then, so the art glitter glue, if you get the fine tip pen, what are they called? It's not a pen. It's called Precision Application Writing Tool. Okay. I will link all this down below for you guys. Right, so it comes with this little pin, and these original stopper toppers were made because you lose this little pin all the time. So you don't want to take the pin and clean out the top of your pin. You don't want to use your stopper topper to clean out the top. You want to use your pin that came with the fine tip thingy there. I'm going to put this one with the rose right now. I'm going to put that one on this large bottle. Super cute. I love that. I love that rose. So that's important. So you want to treat your stopper topper like a fine piece of jewelry, like she said. And then in order to clean this tip out, you just want to use the pin that came with it. Okay. And if you use that pin, you can just use a pin that you would use for sewing to clean that tip out, or you could probably soak it to get it all good and clean. I need to do that to my older one. But anyway, so these are amazing. So thank you, Michelle. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys go over there and check out her Etsy shop. They're up right now in her shop. And I will link it down below for you guys. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is my little fancy tape dispensers. So I did go ahead and finish both of them. So on the video, I did the molds. I put those on the tape dispenser, and then I already had one that was prepared. I don't know which one was which, I'm just grabbing. I had one that was already prepared with the molds, and then we painted one on video. So one of them we put the modes on video and the other one we painted it on video. But since I have two identical tape dispensers, I decided I would give one away. I talked about it in the live chat from that video and I was like, that's a good idea, let's just give it away. Oh, I did show on Instagram and Facebook, I will show you guys here, did show where I put the top coat on to the tape dispensers. So I wanted you guys I wanted you guys to know that I did put 2 coats of the matte. Wait, let me grab it. Of the multi-medium matte. You could use whatever you want, but this is my favorite. But I put 2 coats of this on each one of my tape dispensers. So obviously I'm gonna keep one of my tape dispensers, and I'm gonna give the other one away to one of you guys. Okay, so since I've got this empty box, oh, by the way, we found the missing tape dispenser. My husband had put it somewhere I didn't know. He used it to wrap gifts and I didn't know. But anyway, so this is not the tape dispenser that we used in the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this tape dispenser away. So I'm gonna link this video down in the description box. I will link the video. You need to go back to that video and you need to leave me a comment. And you also need to be a subscriber to my channel. And you also need to be at least 18 years or older. And it's good worldwide. Anybody can enter. All you have to do is subscribe and leave me a comment on this video. Not this video that you're watching, but the video for the fancy tape dispenser. So it's called the fancy, or how to turn the, shoot, what's it called? Fancy tape dispenser, turn the ordinary into extraordinary. So if you haven't seen that video, it's really fun. You should go check it out anyway. Even if you don't want the tape dispenser, you should go check the video out anyway. It's lots of fun. Very good techniques in this video that you can use for anything. Anything at all, you guys. Anything at all. So, I don't know which one you'll get. Oh look, this is the one we painted on video because I remember that little splotch there. I never did end up covering it, but I don't mind. I like it. It just adds to the vintageness of it. And then I didn't paint the bottom. It's still that green color. I didn't paint the bottom on either one. Let's go ahead and flip them both over. Right, so you'll be getting, the winner will be getting one of these tape dispensers. And that drawing will be on July 1st. July 1st, 2020. So again, you have to go to this video, leave a comment, and be sure you're a subscriber, and be sure that I can see that you're a subscriber. If I can't tell that you're a subscriber, then you won't be able to win, okay? So I am super excited about that. So okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. So again, go check out this video. Go check out Michelle's, whoops, it came out of a little package. Go check out Michelle's Etsy shop. I have it linked down below. It's called MS Texas Crafts. Don't forget to use the coupon code for 20% off your total purchase of everything in our shop. And don't forget there's 5 special featured designs specially made for Genevieve Designs at 50,000 subscribers. And be sure to tell Michelle thank you for me. And be sure to tell her that I sent you as well, because she's amazing and she deserves it. She does beautiful work and I really appreciate her doing this for me. So, but all right, you guys, I just want to again say thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for thumbsing. Thank you for giving me thumbs up on my videos. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Just thank you for being amazing. So I will see you guys next time.